Here we come to the elevator at the Law and Beck building of the Museum of Fine Arts in Houston, Texas. This is an ESCO with black JL call button. This is actually the Law building. Almost looked like an Otis Lexan. And here it is. This is elevator A. Go down to whichever floor it is. They actually toned down the fan since last time. This elevator is kind of small too. Alright, we're gonna try to listen to the motor. I don't know which side it's gonna open on. Oh, it opens right here. Alright, let's go back down to the lower level, I guess. These are your GAL, regular GAL fixtures with your color-coded buttons. Here's your ADA compliant phone and like a scratch paper. It's an ESCO. I'm so glad I finally get a take of this. And it's still original, which is amazing. I really like these fixtures. It's gotta be somewhere in the 80s. Alright, we're gonna end the video on the lot where I started. Anyways, this museum is really busy, so we're gonna go ahead and end the video here and give this elevator to other people that needs to use it. See, I really like these fixtures. See, look at that. GAL black button call station. All right, there it goes, and that's it.